Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. So today I would like to share with you one secret which is going to give you the ability to sell almost anything to anybody in the world. Okay, even if the thing that you're selling is like overpriced in the view of customers, still they'll be like, bro, I want this product right now. Okay, so the way to do this secret is I will first tell you something. Okay, so here's the thing, like just imagine like how much do you think a bubble gum usually cost? Like maybe it is $1 or less than that or something like that, right? Okay, now imagine the product you are promoting is a $50 bubble gum. Like people have to spend $50 to get this bubble gum. So now imagine you going to the streets and asking somebody like, bro, I have this bubble gum, it's awesome, do you want it? It costs only $50. So you say it costs only $50. So what do you think people are going to say to you? Like most likely no, right? Because like they can go to any shop in the world and there will be like $1 bubble gum or something like that, right? But now imagine, like here comes that secret. What if instead of talking about the product, you make an offer they can't resist, irresistible offer? What if you say to the people, okay, bro, here is a $50 bubble gum. If you want, you can buy it for $50. But if you buy it right now, then I will give you a Ferrari worth $350,000. Okay, I will give you a Ferrari worth $350,000. So in this case, their mind is still going to say to them, like, bro, this bubblegum only costs $1. Why should I buy it for $50? Or I can go to any other shop just next door and I can get $1 bubblegum. But then they will say like, yes, even though I have to spend $50 to get this bubblegum, for $50 I can get a Ferrari, $350,000 Ferrari for free. So like just ask yourself, like don't you think like almost everybody, as long as you can give a Ferrari, almost everybody is going to say like, yes bro, I want this bubblegum. Yeah. So bonuses are a huge secret. Now I also sell some things here and there, right? So I also would like to give like a bubblegum, sorry, a Ferrari to anybody who buys from me. But the next best thing that what we can do is we can give them useful, high value and relevant products as bonuses. So what I mean is, so there are two conditions which you have to achieve for the bonus to skyrocket your sales. So the two conditions are, number one, the value, okay, the dollar value of the bonuses that you give should be at least 10 times of the price or the amount people have to spend to get that main product that you're selling. For example, like if I am promoting a $100 course, then I should have a bundle of courses, maybe 10 courses, each costing $100, and I should say to them like, bro, you can get this $100 course, and if you grab this $100 course right now, then I will give you these 10 additional courses worth $1,000 for free. Okay, so at this moment when they see this, they'll be like, yes, I have to spend $100 to get this course, but if I grab it right now, then I can get $1,000 worth products for free. Okay, so we have to make sure that the bonus that we give should be worth at least 10 times the value of the main product that we are selling, and also the bonus should be relevant to what we are selling. Like people don't buy something just because they want to buy, they want to achieve a particular goal. Okay, so just ask yourself like what kind of product or course that we can give to them for free which will help them on this journey to this goal. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.